Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of AI, particularly AI video generation. Have you ever had a fantastic video idea that I lacked the time, resources, or maybe even the filming skills to bring it to life? Well, AI video generator are here to change the game. In this tutorial, we will explore what AI video generators are, how they work, and the benefits they offer. So we'll also dive into some popular options and walk you through a creation process with a fun example. So grab your favorite drink, hit the like button, and let's get started. What is an AI video generator? Imagine a tool that can take your ideas and turn them into professional looking videos, complete with scripts, voiceovers, visuals, and even music. That's the magic of AI video generators. Why we should use video generators and the benefits of AI video generators, especially save time and resources. No more filming, editing, or hiring actors. AI generators create videos in fraction of the time, cost effective. Alright, so in this video I will introduce a website that is called Haiper AI. So this is completely free now, so you can use this website to create your AI videos. So don't worry, I will show you step-by-step tutorials how you can log in and how you can generate with your image. Yes, so if you upload an image, it will create a video. That's fantastic. You can click on try for free or start creating. All right, so click on start creating and it will come up this login page. You can log in with Discord or Google. So click on Google, or also you can click on Discord. So finally, this is the explore part. We can create video with text AI. Describe any video you can imagine with text and it will create a video. Animate your image. That's we're gonna try. Upload your own image to bring them to life. Okay, so we'll try this out. Okay, we'll upload the image and we can check how it's look like and how they create the video, and the coming soon, and create with text prompt. Also you can describe any video you can imagine with as the first one. Animate your video. All right, and the more are coming soon. All right, so these are the videos where you can see different kind of users. They create videos like their prompts or script or any images. All right, also you can check out the left side bar, the similar explore, and also the creations, love, also your profile, and the get started, discords, and the sign out section where you can sign out or log out. Okay, so we're not going to log out right now until we finish our video making. Okay, so animate your images, so click on that, and here you can see this is the option where you can describe the video you want to generate, but we'll not describe any video. We'll just upload an image and we want to see that how it's generate. Okay, so let's click on upload images. So if you have any images, that's your own images or your favorite dog, cat, or your places where you live, if you have any kind of images, so you can upload it here. Okay, so I'm going to select this picture. Maybe it will take some seconds. All right, 100% is perfect. So I have uploaded my own picture and let's click on generate. You have reached the end. All right, so let's wait and let's see. So the video is generating from my images. Your video is being generated 4%, 5%. All right, so let's check this video. So it's created maybe 2 seconds video right now. Okay, so let's check this out. So as you've seen, I uploaded a complete image and it has been generated 2 seconds video from a static image. Alright, so I have deleted my own images, so let's try again. I'm going to upload the cute dogs images and let's create it. Okay, all right, so let's check this out. So our video is generated. Okay, so 2 seconds video only, so let's check this out. Wow, how nice this. So all right, so let's check another one, create video with text HD. Okay, So describe the video you want to generate. This is I want to generate a video. All right, so let's click on create. All right, so a playing baby boy with a cute dog. I already sent a prompt, a playing baby boy with a cute dog, and another one is a baby boy playing with a cute dog. Okay, so let's see what's the difference between. So this was the first one, a playing baby boy with a cute dog. How funny. So let's check this out. Okay, it's amazing, I love this. So let's download it. And the another one is a baby boy playing with a cute dog. So let's see the difference between. I'm really happy to see this kind of videos. And this is how you can generate 2 seconds video, and their 4 seconds video is coming soon. I think Haiper AI, they are really doing great, and in future they are added some different kind of functions. All right, so that's the second one, a baby boy playing with a cute dog. That's the difference. I am really pleased to see this. Okay, so let's play this. Wow, this one is really cute. So let's download it. So this is how you can generate through your command. Okay, so let's explore it. Alright, so these two options are available now. Animate your image, HD, and create video with text. So don't forget to check out this website. This is really amazing website, Haiper.ai, and there you have it. As you saw, creating a video with AI generator surprisingly simple and efficient. While if you are interested in learning more about specific AI video generators or have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech and creative content. Until next time, happy creating.